Well, hello again. My name's Michael here at Lexus El Cajon. Today we're going to go over the automatic parking brake in many of our vehicles. This particular one right now is in automatic mode, meaning that the parking brake comes on anytime it's in park, and when I take it into reverse or drive, it turns the parking brake off. When I put it back into park, it turns the parking brake back on. You can turn this system on and off very simply by pushing and holding the parking brake button until the green light goes off. It is now in manual mode, so the shifter has no bearing on the parking brake. If I want the parking brake to come on, I pull it and it puts it on. I push it and it takes it off. To put it back in auto mode, you pull it up and hold it until the green light comes back on. And it's now back in auto mode and is shift related.